Hi there, I'm Marie. In this video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful cowl. This is made using the moss stitch, which is alternating of single crochet and chain stitches, and it's super easy. This pattern makes quite a solid fabric, but its texture is still soft and draped nicely. I'm using a size 4 acrylic and wool mixture yarn, a recommended size 5 hook. The size of this cowl is 12 inches wide and 30 inches long. I used a total of 5.5 ounces of yarn. We'll start by making a foundation chain of even number. I'm going to make 46 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 've done 46. Let's measure to confirm if it is 12 inches. The width I want. By the way, your gauge may be affected by your yarn size, hook size, or how loose or tight your stitches are. Measure yours and make sure it is the size you want. If not, you should add or reduce in even number of chains. Once you have determined your size, mark the last stitch with a marker. We'll begin our row 1. We'll start with a single crochet. Do that by chaining 1, skipping 1 stitch, and making the single crochet in the next stitch, which is also the mark stitch. Insert the hook into the center of the chain stitch. Pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. That's our first single crochet stitch for row 1. Next, chain 1 and skip 1 chain stitch below. Then make a single crochet into the next chain. From here, alternate between the single crochet and chain 1 sequence until you reach the end of the row. Okay, we are at the end of the last 2 stitches. We'll chain 1 and skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet into the last stitch. Next, chain 1 and turn the work. Now we'll start row 2. Since the immediate stitch below is a single crochet, we'll skip it. Chain 1 and make a single crochet into the next chain space. Basically, you'll be chaining 1 stitch, skipping the single crochet stitch below, and then making single crochet stitch into the next chain space. My yarn comes with several colors. If you would like to build your own color blocks, it is best to do it at the last stitch of a row. After you have made the last stitch, instead of pulling the yarn to complete the stitch, pull up a loop of the new color. Cut the yarn leaving 5 to 6 inches length for securing. I usually take care of those when I take a break or right after I finish the project. Now you start the next row with the new color. I stop after I reached the width I want, which is 30 inches. This is folded in half, so it's 15 inches times 2. Before we snip off the yarn, make sure the length we save is at least 3 times the width of the cowl. We'll use it to join both ends together. Now make a slip stitch. Tighten and secure it. Next, we'll join both ends using the whip stitch method. This is done with a tapestry needle. Hold the two ends together so the stitches from each side lines up and facing each other. From the inside of the fabric, insert the needle into the last stitch of the opposite end and pull all the way through. For the second stitch, insert the needle into the center of the stitch. Continue threading it through the adjacent stitch. Be sure you include both the front and back loops for a stronger hold. Repeat until you reach the end. When you get to the last stitch, finish it off with a slip knot. The seam is hardly noticeable. Now, weave in all the loose ends inside the chain stitches. Simply follow the pattern of the stitches and weave through a couple of inches so they are not visible. This cowl will drape nicely on your neck and keep you warm for sure. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And also check out my other videos. Bye for now.